Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And one of the things I noticed last time on our last video was there really is no protection for the battery and the gas tank. It is wide open right here. And let me take this out so you guys can have a better look at it. You can actually see all the way through. I could stick my hand all the way through here. And I don't particularly like that. And I looked all over on the internet to try to see if I could find some type of mud guards. And we ended up finding something really nice. And it's going to help protect this battery. It's going to help protect the gas tank over there. And it's going to cut down on cleaning time. You guys can see it's the same over here. So you can see my hand. And this gas tank is not protected at all. So if you hit a stick or any type of sharp object, you got a chance of puncturing this gas tank right here. And we don't want that to happen. So, and you can see over here, it's the same thing. You can hit it right through there. Come on over here, you can show them. Get a better look. It's all open right here. It's nice when you need to work on something. But other than that, you kind of want to protect this stuff in here, is my feeling. And so what we ended up picking up was a set of Grizztek rear mud guards. And this isn't going to be a very long video. It's real simple to install. You got nice instructions right here. You got 4 bolts right here that are just going to screw into the back of these, and it's a real simple job. And he even sends you some Kool-Aid, so that's how simple it is. So we'll show you guys how to do this real quick. Like I said, it's not going to be a very long video, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. So this is just going to slip right in here, and it's almost like Polaris thought about it because the holes are already here. I mean, I don't know if this is for anything else. But looks like they thought about it and then just decided not to do anything. So this is very simple. This just slides in right here like that. And then you're just gonna line these holes up with the screws in the back. And that's it. It's simple. It's done. Just going to tighten it up. And now you guys can see real nice protection there. It's going to protect from mud, sticks, whatever sharp objects. Nothing's going to get in there. It's going to be a lot easier to clean. And then I'll show you the other side real quick. Same thing. You can kind of see right down in there, it's all closed off. I'm just going to slip this in here like that. And then line up the holes. There it is. And that's it. So now the gas tank's protected. And it's nice and sturdy. And you guys can see in here. Show them in there. Now it's all closed off now. So now that's all closed off. This is all closed off right here. Then we're going to stick our storage bin back in. See that? And then put our seat on. And the job is done. just like that. And then let's take this light out of here. I'll put the bed down so you guys can see the difference. Go ahead and show them. See, now it's all closed off. So now you don't have to worry about all that stuff. And they're very easy to come out. It's just two thumb screws. You just take them out, unscrew them. If you got to get back in there to service anything, it's real simple. It's real nice. So this was a real easy install, quick video for you guys. I thought I'd share it with you. If you guys are interested in this mud kit, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description. It's a company called Grizztek. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, you like this kind of stuff, we appreciate you hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. Also follow us on Instagram, like our Facebook page. Comment down below. Tell me what you guys think of this kit. Like the video if you like it. And with that said, I'll see you on the next one.